ain't heard nothing yet. Wait a minute, I tell you. You ain't heard nothing.
You wasn't created to be normal. You wasn't created to be average. You're not mediocre. There's greatness within you. There's greatness within you. And the only way to the next level of your greatness is through your frustration.
Since the beginning of time, mankind has been fighting the battle that is mood swings. We can trace it as far back as cavemen. 1 minute, it's fire, good. And the next, it's rain, bad. Trying to predict and determine these changes in moods can make for some of the most frustrating experiences one can have.
Past, present, future. Faith, hope, love.
The apex of human experience conceived in a virgin womb. Heaven's perfection breathes his first in a barn. The fullness of God beats in the heart of a helpless infant.
We were driving from the airport, and I start hearing this music, this just great music. When I see a band, I see flags, people dancing. We're in Tanzania. We're in Young Life.
And this is where we met one of the Young Life leaders, Alexis Kwame.
He told us a story about the first time he came to Young Life, and his welcome experience was very similar to what we just experienced.
The welcoming was amazing. They carried me. Well, you know what? It's only kings who are carried in Africa. I really felt honored.
These groundbreakers, these explorers, they were just like you and me, but they were not content. They didn't sit back and wait for someone else to step up. They conquered the sky, innovated, and sparked a revolution. They lived in a world that was fine with the way things were. People just didn't realize that it could get better.
He has the mind that solves every problem. He knows it all. A masculine crystal ball. Things bruise, things bruise. We want to thank.
Yeah, I heard that too. That's the sound of serious carbon buildup in your engine. Instead of paying a pro over $100 to do a complete fuel system cleaning, do it yourself with Motormedic's Fuel Pro Complete. 2 steps in just 5 minutes.
Let that frustration push you into greatness. It's either gonna bury you or make you great. Let's go!